Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll grow together. Also, there's a thumbs up right underneath the video. If you enjoy the content of a creator, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. Supposedly it helps on the YouTube platform. All right, today I'm really excited to share with you. We got a box from Sephora, and it is the Sephora Favorites bag that I always look forward to getting. I'm not sure if it's every month or every other month, but it is something that I used to enjoy getting, the play boxes. So this is their alternative to it. The only difference is with this, it's not a subscription. These pop up under the Sephora Favorites. They're $10. They're the sample sizes like we were used to in the play. The difference is that everybody gets the same bag. So you can go in and check and see if some of the items in there are ones that are of interest to you. So it's not like you're guessing what you're going to get. You know exactly what you're going to get. And like I said, this is $10. Also, the free ship code still works. So if you put that in, I was able to get this for $10 plus tax, shipped directly to my door in a Sephora box, which is an absolute treat. All right, so I took down some information about the products because they do not give you any information about any of the products that are in here. And if you're not familiar with me, I'm really like to do informative videos because for me, a lot of these products are going to be new to me, and I like to know more of the information. So the day that I place the order, I sit down and I go through different websites to get more information about the product, if you know it had good reviews, things like that. Because even though it's only $10 and it gives us an opportunity to try a little of this and a little of that, I still would like to know more information about it, because if I end up enjoying it, I'll probably end up buying the full size. And that's where this card comes in from Sephora. It is a perforated card, and if you like the item that you're using, you will get 15% off the item that they have. Each one has the exact item that is on here. So if you really enjoy one of the items in here, on this you will see the coupon for this exact item in the full size. So I'm just trying to see here if I see any expiration dates, and right now I do not, which is really good because during this time it's better that they don't do that. All right, so here we go. So this is called the Hello Beauty Big Shots bag. That's the newest one. They're saying that this is a $26 value, and like I mentioned, we only pay $10 for this. And it's a set of 6 must-have makeup, skincare, haircare, and fragrance samples from what they consider Sephora's top brands. Plus, we get that 15% off voucher for the future full size of that purchase. So they said these 6 samples will be in this reusable bag, which is what this is here. And like I said, with that voucher, it says the set will feature brands that only Sephora can bring you together. Each product including has earned icon status thanks to the bold color and powerful formulas. I'm going to go through quickly, so if you just want to know what's in the bag, you could very easily go to the Sephora.com website, but I'm going to show you what I did receive. The first item that came in this little plastic container here is this item here, and it is the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. The next item that I received was from the Makeup Eraser, and this is something that has really impressed me. This small size, do not think like this is a throwaway. It is 100% not. This I actually enjoy better than the larger ones, simply because if you're removing your eye makeup, you could remove one side and then you can do the other side. Sorry, I cut it in half, even this one, and I use one side to take off one eye makeup, and then I turn it and I do the other, and then I flip over to the other side and I use this to take off. It's the perfect size. And then to me, I really enjoy these. So that for me is a win. The next item that I got is from Fresh, and this is a brand that I am so impressed with. It is normally very expensive, but like I said, I have my notes and I'll share with you what all those prices are. But what we got in the bag is this one, and it is the Fresh Lotus Anti-Aging Night Moisturizer. The next item that we got is a brand that I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try. It's from Dermalogica, and it's this one here, and this one is their daily micro Microfoliant Exfoliator. And then from Amika, which is another brand that I enjoy, this is a small version of the Perk Up Talc-Free Dry Shampoo. And then the last item that I got in here was from the Valentino Donna Born in Roma Eau de Parfum. And this one comes with that little sprayer pouch, and that's the gorgeous bottle that it would normally come in if you bought the full size. You also, during checkout, get to choose 2 what they call samples, but their samples are true sample cards. And the 2 that I picked up was the Lancôme Ultra Wear and from Laura Mercier, her tinted moisturizer, and it has all these different shades in there, so I think that's absolutely fantastic to be able to play and figure out which shade works best for you. There's never usually enough in here like to get more, like to get the full coverage, but there's enough in here that if you're home and you're playing, you can use more than one color to get your full, you know, face done, and then you can see how the product wears on your skin tone. So I always like to pick these type of things up, but when you see those samples in the checkout, it's always on the top area. They always give you a choice of a couple. I always seem to choose the foundation or tinted moisturizer cards, but if there's a perfume sample in there of interest to you, you can do that as well. All right, so let's get going and start talking about what the products are all about. So the first one here is the Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. The full size of this is $23. The mini of this is a 9 ml, and that's $12. What's in our bag is the 5 ml. So this is about $4. So it says what it is. It's an effortless lash lifting lifestyle mascara that delivers sweat proof, weightless volume to clean up your lash game. It says the highlight ingredients in here are algae and vitamin E. And it says the algae will soothe irritated skin with anti-aging antioxidants, and vitamin E is a natural preservative that also acts as an emollient and an antioxidant. I'm not sure why you would need those 2 things in a mascara, but that's what they wrote. The callouts are that this is a vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They're saying this vegan mascara delivers natural and nurturing volume while conditioning your lashes. The tapered bristle brush coats each lash from root to tip to deliver the wave of a curl. The sweat-proof, flake-free, smudge-proof formula is also formulated with a plant wax, and which we said the vitamin E to lift and condition your lashes. So that's what this one looks like here. Let's pull the brush out and see. Now in the mini ones, well, it's pretty large. I would think that the brush wouldn't be the same size, but it might be. So the formula we know is going to be 100% the same, but I wasn't so sure in the mini. I know in the travel sizes it's the same brush that's in the full size, but it looks like it would be with this one as well. So this is a really unique brush. The bristles are all like a little bit all over the place, and I think it will end up grabbing every single lash. They go from short to tall, and really happy about that. So excited to try that. I do enjoy Tarte. The next item, if you're not familiar with this, is the makeup eraser, and this is the what they call the original. And the minis, they're saying they come, I think, 7 minis for like $25 or something like that. So they end up costing about $4 each. So they said that these set of soft cloths that erase your makeup with just water. They are reusable and machine washable up to 1,000 times. It's free of all the parabens, all the bad stuff. And then it goes on and on that it's also vegan and cruelty free. It says, but the original makeup eraser makeup remover cloth is a premium patented dermatologist approved polyester cloth that's safe for all skin types. It features a double-sided design, one to remove your makeup and the other to exfoliate your skin. These cloths remove all traces of makeup without alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, fragrances, or sulfates, simply water. So I think this is always a great thing to have in your arsenal. So really happy that that was in the bag. The next item that we got is from Fresh. And this is the one that I showed you in, it came in this cute little retail box. And this one, what it says, it is the Anti-Aging Night Moisturizer. The full size of this is $52, and that would be a 1.6 ounce or 50 ml. The 0.5 is $20, and this one that we got in the bag is a 0.23. So this is about 7 ml, so it's about $10, and that's pretty much the cost of the bag. So this is a lightweight night cream powered by antioxidant-rich Super Lotus that helps your skin recover overnight for more youthful looking skin. They're saying this is also good for all skin types, normal, dry, combo, and oily. It's for the skincare concerns of fine lines and wrinkles, dryness and or dullness. They're saying it is a lightweight cream, and they're saying what the highlighted is about it is it has Super Lotus, which will help to hydrate, support radiance, and deliver antioxidant protection. And it also has a peach leaf extract, which helps your skin look and feel refreshed and de-stress overnight. They're saying what is important for you to know is that this night cream is powered by antioxidant-rich Super Lotus to support your skin against any free radical damage. After extended use, your skin texture is visibly refined and your elasticity and bounce appear improved. Peach leaf extract will help your skin recover from stress and give you that more youthful looking skin. So it's offering a lot. So it does come with that extra seal, which is nice, even in a sample size. And I'm just going to take a little bit off the cap here to just see if there is any. I don't feel that there's any real scent to this, and if there is, it's very, very minor. And that's what it looks like here. And it is a very lightweight cream, which for a night cream is really surprising. So really, really excited for me to be able to try that, because combo girls like me don't enjoy those heavy creams that you put on. If a cream is too heavy when I wake up in the morning, I will end up with some breakouts. So when it's a lightweight cream, it does exactly what I need it to do, which is hydrate and moisturize my skin without, that extra heaviness on my skin. The next item is one that I'm excited, like I mentioned, to try. This is the full size of this is a $59 value, and that would only be a 2.6 ounce. The mini size of this is 0.45 ounces, and that would be $15. So if you want to try it, you can, because you can get the mini size. But in the bag, it is only 0.4, which is 4 Gs, and that would be about $5. And this is a gentle rice-based powdered exfoliator that it visibly brightens and improves the skin's texture, and it will help clean your pores. It's also good for all skin types like normal, dry, combo, and oily, and especially for fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and uneven texture, which is, to me, everything. This is a lightweight powder, and they're saying what is in here. It has licorice, grapefruit, rice bran. It visibly evens your skin tone, leaving your skin looking glowy and smooth. It has some enzymes and salicylic acid that will draw out excess oil and improve the look of skin texture and pores. It also has oatmeal, which will hydrate and help reduce the appearance of any redness. It's also free of all the, it's clean, so it's free of all the sulfates and all of that. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It also says this is a gentle powder exfoliant that will leave your skin looking smoother and brighter. The formula activates upon contact with water, foaming into a creamy paste and releasing the papain, the salicylic acid, and the rice actives. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and even skin tone and the hyperpigmentation while soothing and blending of a green tea and the oatmeal, which will calm the look of any redness, which is really, really nice. So this I have not used from this brand, but I have traveled many times with these powdered products, because it was easier when liquids were starting to be they were saying you could only have this much liquid and things like that. So it is a powder formula. You put a little bit of water on it, and then it will create like a foam, and then you place it all over your skin. I have used cleansers like this. I have never used an exfoliator like this. You can definitely feel the exfoliation in here, the little granules. So like I mentioned, I'm really, really excited to have the opportunity to try this, because this is a really strong brand. The next one is one that I have in many sizes, and I really, really enjoy this, and I have purchased this in the full size. I cannot wait to see what this one smells like. This is the Talc-Free Dry Shampoo. The standard size of this is about 5 ounces, and it is $25. And they have a mini size that's for $10. That is only 1 ounce. And then they have, in the Hello bag, they have this one, which is 0.75 ounces. So it's like $7.50. So the mini sizes, they always charge a lot more for, because it's, 1 ounce is $10 and 5 ounces is $25. So it's far better to get the larger size. But if you want to try something, and, it's the $10 one's the way to go. Then they're saying it's good for all hair types: straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and all that. It is a dry shampoo formula without talc or aluminum that will refreshen your hair by absorbing excess oil and adding volume. It naturally cleans and deodorizes your hair, adding volume, cools, and refreshes your scalp. If you want to know more, this Perk Up Dry Shampoo is your secret weapon to maintaining your style, enriched with natural rice starch, which immediately works to absorb excess oil. It Perks Up Dry Shampoo is one of the only dry shampoos on the market that's formulated without aluminum, this starch, or any chalky talc. Whether you're in need of a quick no-wash cleanse or an extra boost of volume, a swift mist of this sea berry-infused formula leaves your hair soft and refreshed, while the spray to the roots will add volume. This product is color-free and contains no harmful ingredients, so it doesn't leave any of that dreaded dusty residue, but naturally vitalized hair. And it's without parabens, sulfates, and things like that. It's so funny because years ago, when we used to go to the clubs, your hair, and you used to be able to smoke and a lot of things years ago, but your hair, when you came out of those type of places, your hair was still, done for the night, and you still were going to go out for brunch the next day, and you really didn't want to have to redo your hair. You always use these type of dry shampoos, not because your hair was so oily, but you wanted to get the freshness and the smell of all of the club out of your hair. And that's what I used to use it for. But now they're saying these are even better. They're, you can use them to replace shampooing, to help with the oiliness, which is what I think they all were, tended to be used for, but also to do for volume, which I think is really nice because, the next day your hair doesn't always have this volume. So to add that little extra, I think is a really nice thing. And this is always in my travel arsenal, these sizes that we get, because it's always something when I'm traveling that I always take with me. And then the last item in here we got was from Valentino. That was the scent that they chose for this month. And this is the Donna Born in Roma. The standard size of this is a 1.2, this size that they put in here is about $3, but the standard size of this is a 1 ounce, and that's a $75 bottle. But it does also come in the 1.7, which is $100, and you can also get it in the perfume spray for $130. A lot of times when it's these bottles are beyond stunning to leave on your counter. So if you love the scent, they're definitely, great. But what I always seem to choose is to buy these type of products that if they're available in roller balls, that's what I end up purchasing. So they're saying this is a floral. It is warm florals. The keynotes in this are black currant, jasmine, as well as bourbon vanilla. And I sprayed the card earlier today, and it is a very sophisticated scent. It's not a youthful scent. It is definitely a sophisticated scent. And this one, it says, Donna Born in Roma is a modern haute couture scent. The couture elegance is made with 3 qualities of jasmine, which brings the luxurious femininity when blended with the vanilla bourbon, the most expensive extract in the world. The mix is twisted with a radiant trio of modern wood, which gives an edgy touch of the Rome street culture. The bottle is designed with the iconic Valentino stud, the signature of Valentino's couture, which was inspired by the Roma architecture. So that's what that looks like here. So like I said, I think this is an absolute steal for $10. You get an opportunity to try so many products, and they're all high-end products. And then if it's something that you enjoy, you have that extra coupon for the 15% off to use it to purchase the larger one, because with Sephora, usually you have to wait for twice a year for that 20% deal. So that's why I think this bag is really, really beneficial, because if you end up liking any of these products, you automatically are getting it at the Sephora sale type of price at 15% off. So wanted to share that with you guys. It is available now. Like I said, I always keep my eyes open for this because it is something that I look forward to receiving, because I do miss getting the play box every month. But with this one, it's sometimes it started to be monthly, and then on the back here they used to have the date, like if it was a March or whatever. Now they're not saying it anymore, so it's not as often as every month. It's sometimes every 6 weeks. So, but I'm always checking in the Sephora favorite section, because that's my favorite part of Sephora. I've had the opportunity to try so many things in those Sephora favorite kits. Please leave in the comments down below if you enjoy these type of bags, if you enjoyed the play, if you're missing the play as much as I am. But I wanted to share all that with you guys. So now that if you want it, it's available. Make sure to use the code free ship so you can get it delivered to your door for $10, just like I did. All right. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. But more importantly, during this time, I like to end every video that everybody has to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well and we can all enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.